I'm actually in Dedham for my Christmas Works dinner. And I thought, you know what, I'll come a bit early and just have a look at the lights. There aren't as many as I thought there might be, but there's still pretty bits. So let's just have a look at Dedham at night at Christmas. So it's shut now. There is a lovely kind of autumnal display in the, I don't know what you'd call that, the hall? Porch? Porch. It does look very pretty from here. Christmas tree, it looks lovely. Is it even a Christmas tree? But it's shaped like one. I don't think it is a Christmas tree, but it still looks great. I kind of thought the church would be lit up. I've never been to Dedham at night time, so yeah, I thought it'd be a bit more lit up. There is free parking in the town. A town? Is it a town? It's probably more a village. Going in there for the Christmas meal, the Marlborough. I'm looking forward to it, to be fair. I've never been inside, but I will take pictures of the meal. Free course menu. Yeah, I'm actually really looking forward to that. And I'll let you know afterwards how it was. It's kind of an art centre, has a little cafe. You can have coffee or whatnot, and food actually. I have had coffee in here, but not the food. But it gets pretty dark further along, so I'm not going to go that way. Pretty houses though, if you can see them. Approaching the Marlborough. It's very old, Tudor. That's it on the side of it. It's very lovely. It has a little outside garden area. Oh, let's have a look. What's this? Alice Lee, 1858 to 1939, mathematician and craniologist. That's the people that study heads, which was quite popular in the Victorian period. Oh, right. So demonstrating that intelligence is not limited by skull capacity, because they did believe that. That's why they thought women in Victorian times were sort of less intelligent than men because of the size of their skulls. She debunked myths about the intellect of women, one of the earliest female graduates in Britain. Oh. See, it's probably the nicest looking pub in the... Yeah, I really like that. Beautiful. Oh, there we go, look, it's got a date on the side there. The Marlborough, local trading post and free house since 1465. Wow.